Guys, I don't think I'm supposed to be in here right now. Oh, whoo, that is bright. Okay. What's up, guys? It's Seth That's not how it goes. Guys, it's Seth how does this go? Guys, it's your boy, Seth That is definitely not it. Guys, what is up? It's your boy, Seth Fowler, and today we're going to be taking a look at the second day in New York, chilling in Seth Fowler's studio. I had a nightmare with my Airbnb last night. Basically what happened is I booked an Airbnb, the booking got confirmed, and then I was waiting for this dude to like hit me up and say like, hey, we're gonna do check-in this time, I'm gonna give you the keys at this time, and I didn't have his contact information. He never freaking hit me up, and I tried messaging him on Airbnb, and he never responded, and I got really pissed off, and basically I had to sleep on Seth's couch. Thanks for letting me sleep on your couch.
Anytime.
I booked an Airbnb, which is beautiful. So that is solved. But I'm just hanging out in Seth's studio. He's selling a crap ton of shoes. Where are you selling them, Seth?
SethFowlerStore.com.
SethFowlerStore.com. If your size 8.5, 9.5, 9.
Actually, right now I think I only have 9s up.
He only has 9s. Dude, I thought my sneaker room was messy.
Okay, Jesus.
This is terrible. You have crap all over the floor.
Legitimately, it's cleaner. I'm just selling a lot of stuff right now.
Okay.
So usually it's a lot better.
Are you selling a garbage bag? Is that why that's there? Are you selling a ruler? Are you selling clout goggles? Is that why those are on the floor?
Actually, maybe. Hold on.
I'm not even kidding. I'll give you $3 for those right now.
I bought them for 12.
Out, Seth, my man. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Seth knows some sneaker stores around here, like some local sneaker stores that get shoes a little bit early. And I think, fingers crossed, we're gonna be going to pick up a pair of kicks a little bit early. This is a pair of kicks I've wanted for a long time. They're very, very dope. So dope. I'm so pumped. Is this the store right here?
It's right here.
Ah, this is the store right here. Let's go. Hey.
How are you? I'm good, how are you?
This is the owner of my uncle, you know?
Oh, nice.
Seth,
That's awesome.
they got them. These aren't them, but these are beautiful.
These are nice.
Oh my goodness, here, you take that one, I'll take that one. Wow. These look really, really sick. I remember one of my buddies on my high school team, obviously. One of my buddies had these in high school. These are so freaking nice. Wow, when did these ones come out?
The 24th?
Wow, these don't come out for like another month.
Yeah, these practically another month as well.
They come in the OG box too, which is so dope. What do you think of these?
They're awesome.
These are so, I mean, it's like just black and gray. Like it's nothing crazy in your face, but they're really, really nice. Suede on them is nice too. Cool. All right, we got the freaking shoes.
Yeah,
Huge shout out to
grab
Moolah.
one, but
You can
I don't
see
want
all their
any more
stuff.
than
I'm gonna leave their Instagram link down in the description. If you guys live in Ridgewood or if you just live in freaking New York City as it is, come check them out. Oh my goodness. You guys don't know what these are yet. Let's take a look at them. Okay, boom. I am so freaking excited for this pair of shoes. I've been waiting so long for this pair of shoes. We got the up tempos on. This is a classic pair of shoes. These outdate them by about 9 or 10 years though. Oh my goodness, they are finally here. I finally got them. Boom. The Air Jordan 1 Shadow. Okay, let's take a look at this freaking pair of shoes. These are amazing. So Seth was doing a review of these, so he messed up the lacing. I usually wouldn't lace them exactly like that, but I already laced them up. I already put them on feet. They look beautiful. They look amazing. They look perfect. They look like one of the best pairs of Jordan 1s to ever release. I feel like Jordan Brand does this at least once a year, where they just release a fire pair of Jordan 1s. 2016 it was the Breads, 2017 it was the Royals, this year it's the Shadows. Who knows, maybe next year we'll get another pair of Chicagos. I certainly would not be complaining. These things are so beautiful, and it's so simple too. Like much like this pair of shoes I have on feet right now, this is just black and white, this is just black and gray. I honestly might throw these on as soon as I'm done this review. That is how good these things look. Trust me, I'll be bringing you guys an amazing review of these as soon as I get to wear them a little bit, get to know what I think of them and all of that good stuff. I'll be bringing you a review probably like a week before release date. So all you guys that want to buy these, you can consider them, you can think about it, you'll know what you want to get. So yeah, I got these from Moolah, and they actually gave me a very good price. They were very nice to me, gave these to me for $220, which was so kind of them. $220, I know that is more than retail, but I mean, once you pay tax, you're paying around $175, and the fact that I was able to get these 3 weeks early to show you guys, I think is well worth the extra $45. That's nothing. I mean, $45, I will pay that to show you this shoe early. I care about you guys. I want you to see this shoe, and plus, I mean, you guys want to watch it too, so it just makes sense for me to grab it. These look very, very nice. I'll be giving you a crazy review, as I said, in the coming weeks. I just want to get my opinions on this shoe and sort of give you an informed opinion on this shoe, not just when I pull it straight out of the box as I usually do. But I wanted to show you guys that I got these, and I wanted to show you. The leather is decent. I'll have to wear these a little bit more, see how they go, but trust me guys, you are not going to be disappointed if you buy this pair of kicks. Wow. I'm super thankful that I was able to get these. I know today has been super boring. Today has been super quick. Lots of you guys have been complaining, Tom, your videos are too short lately. They're only like 6 minutes. They're only 7 minutes. If you felt this is too short, guess what? Wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow's video is going to be amazing. That being said, obviously we have a name change on the channel. We're just going by Tom Stefaniuk now, which is amazing. It's pronounced Stefaniuk for all you guys that were confused. And make sure to follow me on Twitter at Tom Stefaniuk, at Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk. This is crazy. I'm not saying the real Ray Ray 20 anymore. Oh my goodness, I'm so pumped. I'm so excited. I definitely made the right decision about that. I seriously am so excited. Go follow me over there. Make sure you're connected with me. Make sure you're staying part of the Real fam. I know we're not called the real Ray Ray 20 anymore, but all you guys that feel real, still part of the freaking Real fam. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.